behind the all the rest of the birds and animals are over on the right side, north side. Filling it. Now there are some young animals in the back end of Africa. Back right corner, the Brazilian monkeys have about a year-old boy. He's about 2/3 the size of his own. Two exhibits over are the Clinton Springers, small in here. They have about a 15-week-old boy. Now they're all small there. Except the young boy has no horns, so it's mom, dad, and the young girl. And the Angola baby. We'll see her on the way back. Now they moved into the middle. They'll come back out. You'll see when you go through the Africa. Those are the Cape Town. Chimpanzee exhibit is next. Now there's 10 chimps in here, 8 females and 2 males. Here. Rhinos are next. Now the tank comes back of the lion tail. That's their filtration system to be cool. They feed the sea lions again at 3:30 today. In order on the left, we have the gray dog off now. I can go straight off. I'm going to hang a half on the end out of the fish. Left. There we go. Not tall enough to get in there, so it's got a back feet off the ground. Now we're coming down the main part. The path that goes to the left is the end of the playground. Behind the chain link fence on the left, Mexican camel, these are Asian camel with 2 months, 23-week-old little girl. This camel, the one on the left is being female, the one on the Now we're going to come out into the back of the zoo. The back of the zoo is in cardiac syndrome. Everything back here except the train station is not one for everybody but the staff. If you have a problem with that, you can stay on the great gravel between the logs and it safely takes you to the train station. We don't want anybody out on the main road. On your right over here is the Asia Depot. Asia Depot is where the single trains from most of the cars into the zoo stop. Almost everything you see at the bio park, that's what it's into the garden. In the middle back here we have a humongous acorn. From the side to turn it up. Diagram on this side of the campus. July and August, they run 10 to 5. Now the only people that can get off and on the singular trains at the Asia Depot are people with combo passes. That's a wristband that shows you have admission to the garden into the boat. If you just want to take a train ride, you have to particularly be to the garden to get on. Get your ticket to get on. They are not going to let you off in the back of the zoo. We don't sell just a singular train ticket as just combo passes. If you belong to the zoological profession, something else to do. Watch and make sure everybody getting on and off the train has
just chilled. How about you?
Met this totally awesome chick on a dating website, getsome.com. She's 5'3". She's 35. And she sounds so perfect. We've talked a few times. We get along great.
So are you two gonna like hook up or what?
Well, see, I kind of fell in love with her.
What? You haven't even seen her and you're getting married. What's wrong with you? You're 19.
Well, see, I kind of told her I was 30. And we're gonna get married. We're gonna be blindfolded till we say I do. And I want you guys to be there for me, will you?
Yeah, man, we'll be there.
But you're nuts!
What about if she's fat or ugly or mutated or something? You ever thought about that?
I don't really care. I just want you guys to be there for me, okay?
Yeah, whatever.
Did you see those hoochie mamas last night? I'm telling you. Oh my god. I don't know what they were thinking. If my daddy would have seen that in these days, he would have whooped me. And did you see her? She was wearing like Boosty Kaka, like a bra. Oh my god. What is that? It's so disgracing. The parents must be upset. Oh, that is a disgrace. I have great news, you guys. I'm getting married to a 30-year-old. So next Tuesday, I want you all to be there. Tell me more. Say the time more. I'm not really sure. We're gonna be blindfolded till we say I do. Oh, that is so romantic. It sounds like a dream. So anyways, where did you make your knight in shining armor? On that website, getsome.com. What? On a website? You're a whore. What about if it's just a kid? I never really thought of that. It doesn't matter though. We're in love. Dinner. Dinner? Pot roast. My favorite. What? Please, let's get it. Dinner time. Get it from the floor. Come on, girl. You're still young. Come on. Oh, you're still young. You got it. You can do it. Oh, okay. Oh my God. I'm coming. Table. I am coming. Oh. Yeah. I am there. I'm there.
Damn it, they're home.
Alright, scoot. Keep going, come on.
So, only 2 days till you meet the girl of your dreams. Are you stoked?
Oh yeah, I'm so excited. She's my angel.
Gross, dude. Nah, I'm just kidding. You actually sound like you'll be happy. Have you got a taxi yet?
No, I don't. You wanna go with me to get one?
Yeah, sure. Let's bounce.
I just love the new dress we picked out. It's beautiful. Try it on. All right. How does it look, ladies? Oh, you look gorgeous. Wake her up. Hey, wake up. Oh, look. You look at you. Turn around. Oh, I got the beautiful shoes. Oh, you're gonna look fine. I see the shoes. They're actually very pretty. Come on. There isn't something. Oh, you're gonna make me want to cry too. Come on, girl. Come on. Oh, my bad.
Today's the day, bro. Are you ready for this?
Oh yeah, I can't wait.
You know, I really think you should have at least met her first.
Trust me, I know what I'm doing, alright? Just get off my back.
Okay. Just worried about you, man.
So, why didn't you get a tux?
Because I was up really late last night, you know, doing that thing.
That's what they say.
Yeah.
I can't believe I'm finally getting married. Not that it matters, but I hope he's a hunk. I can't believe you found true love online. What if it's too good to be true? Don't Don't worry, just relax. And it's gonna be wonderful. Okay.
Man, what's this, all these old people over there?
I don't know, dude, but this really doesn't look good.
Should we say something?
Nah, I guess we just leave it alone.
Can everyone please take your seats? We are about to begin. Dun 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 dun
Come on, you ain't getting married. It's a dream. I'm fixing her dream now.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to join this man and this woman in holy matrimony. If anyone has a reason why these two should not be wed, please speak now or forever hold your peace.
Okay, guys, I guess this is our last chance to say something. Shall we?
No, man, it's too good.
Okay.
Okay, do you, Aaron, take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife through sickness and in health till death do you part?
I do.
Do you, Evelyn, take this man to be your lawfully wedded husband through sickness and in health till death do you part?
I do.
Okay, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may take off the blindfolds and kiss the bride.
Oh. I thought you said you were 35. Oh well. I guess I can learn to live with this.
That's Vegas for you.
My hip.
Ew.
My